Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a big, large pom-pom in two different techniques. So the first technique is good if you're not reusing your pattern. You need a 6 by 6 inches of cardboard from a recycled box, and you can cut a slit on both sides. So for this project, I'm using a thin yarn, and you can actually use a thicker yarn if you want. And you can wrap the yarn 200 times for a large pom-pom. But if you want it more thicker, then you can also use a thicker kind of yarn. When you tie the string around, make sure that it's tight, and you can do it several times if you want to hold it together. So start cutting your yarn. It will take time because it's so thick, and you can do it by layers. So you can start from the top, and then when you're done, you can go to the other side. And guys, you really need a sharp scissors to do this. It will take longer if your scissors isn't sharp. After cutting both sides, just shake it and loosen it up. You can then slowly flip the yarn on the other side like this, and then slowly twist the cardboard, and then rip it, then pull the other side to let the yarn come off. Loosen up the yarn and try to flatten it on the table and start trimming it by going around. Sculpting and trimming your pom-pom with sharp scissors can help create a nice shape. So it's really nice to keep on trimming it until you can get the perfect shape of your pom-pom. So for the second method, you prepare the same cardboard, but for this one, you don't need to make a slit on both sides. You will use the same measurement, it's 6 inches by 6, and you can start wrapping the yarn around the cardboard 200 times. You can also increase the number if you want your pom-pom to be thicker. For this method, this time you need to slide a string, a yarn string, underneath the yarn. So you would start sliding it in on the top side and tie it tightly. And you can do the same on the reverse side. So to tie it together tightly, you need to double the string or triple it. When you're done tying a knot on both sides, you can start cutting the yarn. So try cutting from the top. You can go by layers if it's really thick. And when you're done, you can go to the other side. The next step will be to tie the yarn together after the cardboard comes off. So you can put them together like this. Make sure when you tie around, the knot is tight enough, and you can do several knots just to make sure you're holding the yarn together. After tying it together, you can start cutting the other side of the yarn. When you're done cutting, you can then start trimming your pom-pom. Just like the first method, you can start trimming it and going around using your sharp scissors. To make a fluffy pom-pom, you can also throw it in the dryer for 30 to 50 minutes. So guys, I would like to say thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share, and hit the notification bell so I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.